Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you'll stick around, hit that red subscribe button, and become part of our family. So this came extremely late last month, and it came extremely late this month. Now granted, I've had it for probably a week, and I am filming this on February 12th, so I'm sure it's going to go up a little bit later too. But I mean, last time, so January's box came in this is January's box. So it would have been December's box came like the first week in January, and same with this. Now, I know I've gotten a couple emails saying there's been some shipping delays, so I'm not too mad at it. I just don't like putting up, you know, a month behind box because you guys want to see what's in the current month. But this box is worth it. It is a $25 a month box, and it's just amazing. Like, I'm okay with it being late. That's how amazing it is. Now, if it was Ipsy or BoxyCharm, I'd be pissed. But this is always a great box for the money. So let's get into it, you guys. So again, like I was saying, this is January's box. So just so you know. All right. Opening it up, that is what we see, and it says resolutions. This month we invite you in 7 powerful resolutions: renew, restore, remove, reflect, reawaken, refresh, and replenish. The box is valued at $155, and here is what I see. So pulling out the first thing, it is some wipes, and they feel really nice and wet too. I've never heard of this brand, but that is a lot what the box does. It's like brands you've not heard of, but they're really good products. Sometimes you get brands that you do know, though. This is AYAM. Don't know how to pronounce that. It is valued at $12, and it says Dead Sea Minerals plus caviar to help minimize the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and remove makeup without irritation. Cruelty-free. This is the remove. So, okay. So there, like I said, it's renew, restore, remove, reflect, reawaken, refresh, and replenish. Remove. All right. Moving on. I don't like the little squiggly things. I wish they would get rid of those. This is a lash and brow serum from La Bloom Beauty. It is valued at $25, and it says an all-natural, eye-friendly formulation to restore, strengthen, condition lashes plus brows while growing new hairs. It is vegan and cruelty free, and it is the Restore. Cool. Okay. I mean, always down for a brow, and it's definitely a brow serum and lash serum. Next product is a nail polish. I don't think we've ever gotten a nail polish from the box. I could be wrong, but I don't think we have. Never seen this brand before. It is Mineral Fusion, and it is $9. Long lasting and chip resistant that applies flawlessly with a custom extra thick brush, vegan and cruelty free, and it is the Refresh. Does it have a shade? Yeah. Trinket Bijou is the shade. I do like how the bottle actually is. Lift to open for easy application. Oh, okay, so it has the cap that comes off. Okay, so it kind of has like the Nails ink. I don't know if you guys have seen that brand, but their brush. I really like this color. I'm definitely going to try this next. Like, this is going to be the next color that I try. It's a really pretty purple. Yeah, I really like that a lot. Okay. Guys, I told you that this is a great box. It always is. All right, so this is a double liner from Oh Wow, or is it Kaylin? So it's Kaylin, and it says Wow Duo Eyeliner, valued at $19. So that's what it looks like. See, that's where it says the Kaylin, and then the Oh Wow or whatever. 2-in-1 dual-ended pencil and liquid hypoallergenic waterproof eyeliner that delivers a wide range of eyeliner looks from soft to dramatic. And this is the Reawaken. You guys, I like this. I love how they theme these boxes. Like, it's really cool. All right, we have an item from Evo Beauty. And where are you? Or is it not Evo Beauty? It says EVO Beauty. Oh, okay, there it is. Lip Spo, SPO, Lip Spo gloss, $14. Packed with moisturizing ingredients, keeping lips soft without the stickiness. Can be used as a blush or highlight. Vegan, cruelty-free, and this is the Replenish. It is in the shade LISE, I'm guessing. Yep, LISE. I'm really interested to see what this looks like. You can use it as a blush. Okay. There's what it looks like. That's really cool. I can see the shimmers in it. There's definitely some micro glitter in it. Oh, guys, that is like really glossy. That's really cool. But I don't think I would use this as a blush because I mean, you could if you don't mind that tacky feeling, but I don't think I would use it as a blush, but it is really pretty. Wow. Okay. You guys, this killing it. Again, I'm not mad that it came late. All right, we are down to I think 2 items. Is that all? It's hard. See, with these little squigglies in here, it's hard. I hate them. All right, this is from Dirty Lamb. Okay. It is an Ultra Night Serum. It looks like an oil to me. $52. A high antioxidant blend of natural oils, bringing liveliness and hydration to your skin while you sleep. It is vegan and cruelty-free, and it is the Renew. That is cool. A lot of products that the box has is vegan and cruelty-free. So yeah, I love that it's Dirty Lamb. All right, last item is an item we are familiar with, and I don't think I have this. Actually, I might. We've been seeing this at TJ Maxx and Marshall's. Maybe I don't. I don't think I do. I don't think I bought this. I only bought the blush palette. So this is by Pixi, and it is the Mixed Metal palette, valued at $24. Sorry. 12-inch in pigment and payoff colors. 12 rich. I said 12-inch. 12 rich in pigment and payoff colors, adding depth and dimension to brighten and bring the light to your eyes. Cruelty-free and paraben-free. And it is the Reflect. So, it says, we hope you conquer all your 2021 goals, resolutions at Shop Fashionsta. So, recapping, this is a really pretty palette too. Like, I think I've been tempted to pick it up, but I didn't. And now I'm glad I didn't, because I have it. So I definitely will use this. I really will. Like, it's really pretty. Let's see if I can get into it just so you're not being blinded. I'm sure you guys have seen this, and I know I've showed you on TJ Maxx videos this palette, but let's pull it out so you can actually see it without a glare. So there is what she looks like. Really pretty. And Pixi is a good brand, really good brand. So we have the Pixi eyeshadow, the Dirty Lamb oil. We have Mineral Fusion beautiful nail polish. Awesome feeling, like they really feel like they're wet. They don't feel dry at all. Wipes, and I will use these because I do use wipes. I'm sorry, but I do. A really cool multi-product, but I'll use it just as a lip gloss. We have a dual-ended eyeliner, and then we have an eye serum, or a brow and mascara, a brow and eyelash. Come on, Mandy, eyelash serum. You guys, I pay $20 because I'm grandfathered in because I've gotten this box since the beginning, but for $25, I mean, they can continue to be late. I'm not mad at them. What did you guys think? I know it's a little bit of a shorter video, but I definitely wanted to share it with you, even though it's January's. When February's come in, I will try to film it like right away instead of waiting. No promises, but let me know what you guys thought. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.